Welcome to Hema's Home Garden in USA. In this video, I would love to share the beautiful fruits I harvested from my home garden. I hope you guys already watched my previous video of my backyard garden tour. This is the blackberry plant I bought from my local Lowe's. So this plant I bought during the springtime of 2019. Blackberry is usually a fruit in the older branches, older stems. So exactly after 1 year of planting, during the spring of 2020, the plant started blooming and growing tremendously. I did not expect a 1 year old plant to grow this huge. And moreover, by the month of April, the plant was completely covered in blooms and every single bloom turned into a fruit. The fruits you see here in the red color, they are not the ripe ones. Blackberries taste sweeter only when the fruits turn completely black. The more sun it gets, the more sweeter the fruits are. So if you are planning to plant a blackberry plant in your garden, make sure your plant receives the maximum amount of sunlight so that you get to enjoy huge amounts of blackberry harvest. And the blackberry plant is definitely a worthy plant to grow in your garden. Once it starts producing the fruits, once the fruits start ripening, we used to harvest at least half a pound of blackberries every single day for at least the next 20 days. If you have bird problems and squirrel problems in your garden, you can simply cover the plant with a bird net. My kids love blackberries. This is my daughter harvesting the fruits. There is a really huge difference in the taste of the fruits when you harvest it on a rainy day versus a sunny day. So the sun makes the fruits very sweet. And this is our first harvest of blackberries. And later we started harvesting really huge amounts. This was just enough for my family of 4. These are the blueberry plants. The blueberry plants you are seeing now are the rabbit eye blueberries. Usually, rabbit eye blueberries do very good in North Carolina. And one more thing about blueberries is that it needs a pollinator plant. You cannot simply plant one single blueberry and expect fruits. Blueberries definitely need at least 2 plants to produce fruit. And even if you are planting 2 of them, make sure both of them are blooming at the same time, because different varieties of blueberries bloom at a different time. So what you are planting should be blooming at the same time to harvest fruit. And this is the blueberry harvest. Since my plants are relatively small, I didn't get much of blueberries. Hopefully in future I may get more. These are the raspberries. The raspberries you harvest from your home garden are much sweeter than the ones you buy from the stores. The store-bought raspberries are usually tart. The tree you see here is a peach tree. Believe me, I bought this peach tree only during the March month of 2020. When I bought this tree, it had so many flower buds. As soon as I planted it in the ground, the tree started blooming. The peach tree has some of the beautiful flowers. Within 3 months, you can harvest the ripe peaches. Usually by the end of May or during the first week of August, you can harvest the peaches. Homegrown tree ripened peaches are some of the sweetest peaches you can taste. The ones you buy from the grocery store are nowhere near to the homegrown peaches. You can see the fruits that I am harvesting now are little smaller than the ones you get from the grocery stores. I think it's because the tree is relatively young and new to the ground. So I'm hoping from next year onwards the tree will produce decent sized fruits. Peaches are usually self-pollinating fruit trees. My peaches are the white-fleshed peaches. If you have space in your garden, I highly recommend you to plant a peach tree. This is my Meyer lemon tree. I bought this Meyer lemon tree during the summer of 2019. from State Farmers Market, Raleigh. This Meyer lemon is growing in a pot. This will not tolerate freezing temperatures, so I am growing this in a pot and I bring it inside once the temperature goes down. When I bought this Meyer lemon, it had one single fruit in it, and the next year the plant started producing heavily. This Meyer lemon is a dwarf improved Meyer lemon. They call it improved Meyer lemon because it doesn't have any thorns in it. And the fruits that I am harvesting now are the Owari Satsumas. I already posted a detailed video about growing Owari Satsumas in North Carolina. If you did not watch it, please go and watch my previous video. So this is also a dwarf tree. I bought this tree during the fall of 2018. These are the last fruits that you can harvest in a season because citrus fruits usually takes at least 10 months to mature. This Owari Satsuma needs protection during winter. So if you can watch my previous video about my garden tour, you can see how I protected this plant for this winter. What you see here is a fig tree. The variety is brown turkey. Usually you can see Celeste and brown turkey fig trees in North Carolina because it grows very well here. And this fig tree I bought from the State Farmers Market, Raleigh, during the fall of 2017. This tree is the very first fruit tree that I planted in my garden, so it's kind of special to me. Fig trees are usually the slowest growing fruit trees in the garden. During the initial years, I suggest you to mulch around the fig tree. During the first 2 years, usually the fig tree dies back during the winter and sprouts again during the springtime. So do not panic if you see that. It's going to grow fine. Another problem you may face during the initial years of growing fig trees is that the fruits may not mature before the season ends. And that's because the fig trees die back during the winter times, and it takes some time for the fig trees to sprout again in spring and to develop fruits. And this problem will be solved once the fig tree matures, probably around 3 or 4 years. My tree produced lots of figs this year, but I didn't record them when I harvested them. You can easily identify a ripe fig by looking at its neck. Neck is the part where it is attached to the stem. So if the neck is bent and the fruit is drooping down, it means the fig is ripe and ready to harvest. In this picture, you can see that the neck of the fig is bent. So this is a ripe fig and ready for harvest. And here you see my 3-year-old apple tree. This is a golden delicious apple tree. Initially I wanted a red apple for my garden, but unfortunately all the red apple varieties needed a pollinator plant. So I decided to go with this golden delicious apple. But these fruits are really delicious and I'm so glad I bought this one. And these are the Fuyu persimmons. These Fuyu persimmons, you can start harvesting it once it turns orange color. You don't have to wait until it is too ripe. Even the unripe fruits are very sweet and crunchy, and this persimmon is a very low maintenance plant. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.